Once upon a time, in a small and cozy town, there lived a happy family. The family had four members: Dad, who loved fixing things and teaching his children; Mom, who loved cooking, reading, and caring for the house; Adam, the older brother, 9 years old, full of energy and always curious; Lina, the younger sister, 6 years old, sweet, kind, and loved animals. One sunny morning, Dad said, "Children, I have an idea. Let's make our backyard into a garden. We can grow vegetables, fruits, and flowers." Adam shouted excitedly, "Yes, I want to grow carrots and tomatoes." Lena clapped her hands, "And I want strawberries and sunflowers." Mom smiled and said, "A garden will teach us patience, teamwork, and how to care for nature." They worked side by side, turning the empty backyard into a garden of hope. At first, nothing grew. Adam sighed. "Why is nothing growing? Do we do something wrong?" Mom said, "Good things take time. Just like you needed time to grow, plants also need time." A few weeks later, small green leaves appeared. Lena shouted, "Look, baby plants." One evening, a storm came. The plants bent down, and the children felt sad. But Dad said, "Don't worry. If we help them, they will stand again." The plants grew stronger, thanks to their love and care. By the end of summer, the garden was full of colors and delicious food. Mom said, "Teamwork, patience, and love make everything possible." And from that day, the family promised to always care for their garden and each other. Moral of the story: patience, teamwork, and love help us grow strong, just like a garden.